What's going on, guys? This is Greenkaizer, aka Mr. Green, aka your resident guy in green, back with another tutorial video. So, dito sa tutorial na ito, we're gonna explore and we're gonna create shorts properly. Kasi, like myself, marami akong na-upload na video sa YouTube na akala ko magiging shorts automatically, pero hindi. So, we're gonna explore, we're gonna go through all that, and without further ado, cue the intro. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you once again sa inyong guys sa continued support. And sa mga bago, if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. Mr. Green, ano nga ba ang mga tools na gagamitin natin dito sa video mo, sa tutorial mo? Well, I'm glad you asked kasi ito yan. Mobile device, web-based software, and editing software. Yan ang ating mga gagamitin ngayon. And we're gonna go through each one because that is the easiest and the fastest way to learn, to go along with the video. And I'm gonna introduce some web-based software kung saan ito yung mga pwede mong puntahan na website at hindi mo na kailangan i-download para mas magaan sa iyong PC. Anyways, we're gonna go with the first one, the mobile device. Yan. So, here, itong mobile device, ating Android phone na ginagamit ngayon ay gagamitin natin for the first demonstration. I'm gonna use yung application na tinatawag na UCut. So, we're gonna open UCut. By the way, this is also applied sa ibang application na similar dito sa UCut or any other video editing applications sa mobile. Iisa lang yung method pero ito yung example kasi ito yung nakita kong mas madali na i-demonstrate dito sa app na ito kasi mas straightforward siya, mas madali siya. And hopefully kung kayo meron kayong UCut, well, that's good kasi all you have to do is open it and then follow along. So here we are. We're gonna open UCut and yan ang ating main menu. We're gonna click on the plus sign and yeah, and here are some of the videos that I recorded in the past few days. And so we're gonna click on one video. I'm gonna use this one para madali. Click on that and then click on the arrow next. Ayan. So here we are. Yung video na gagamitin natin is, keep in mind, a minute and a form. So first we're gonna crop the video project by yung ratio ng applicable na shorts sa YouTube, which is 9:16. And then we're gonna click on the check. So we're gonna approve that. Yan. Next, hindi pa, mamaya pa. Next, we're gonna cut it. We are gonna cut hanggang dun sa desire na hindi mo gustong ipakita. Hanggang dito lang yung yung video ko na gusto kong ipakita. And we're gonna cut that. We're gonna go back and we're gonna click on the scissor sign. Ayun. And then we're gonna yung big circle na yun sa siya maghahanap. Yan. And then boom. Yeah, okay. 58.9 seconds. Okay, that's good enough. We're gonna click on the check to approve it. And there we are, 58 seconds. So now, all we have to do now is save the video. We're gonna save it here. Ito yung few notes to look at is yung yung format ng video, overall format ng video. In here, nakalagay, automatic naman na ito So, ayan, nakalagay recommended. Resolution is 1080p. And then yung frame rate na ginagamit na standard is 30 frames per second. That's 30 FPS. That's good enough quality for YouTube. Kung gusto niyo ng mas malaki o mas mataas, make sure makakaya ng mobile device ninyo. Ayan. So we're gonna go with 30 frames per second and we're gonna save it. Ayan. Then we are enjoying UCut. Okay. Yes. No thanks. Mamaya na. Ayan. There you go. Nakasave na siya. pwede na natin siyang i-download sa YouTube. Pero mamaya na natin niyang gagawin. Let's move forward to the second tool. The second tool that we are gonna use is called Capwing. Capwing is a web-based software where you can edit your videos. It has the similar capabilities of a editing software na pwede mong i-download. Even yung ginamit nating editing app na UCut is very same. So here, we're also gonna create a new project. Keep in mind, itong Capwing, you have to log in and register with an email, and you have to allow Capwing to access your so they can access your Google Drive. But this is also private. Nasa sa inyo yan. Also, this is a free plan. I'm currently on free plan, and it has limitations, but you can always upgrade to uh, enjoy the full extent of this website. So now we're gonna create new project, and here makikita mo nandiyan na siya. Ayan yung mga ratio natin na gagamitin, and we're gonna choose 9:16. Click that, and we're gonna add media. Add media, it's either this one is either from the our desktop Google Drive, kasi meron siyang access sa Google Drive ko, and Google Photos. Same. Pareho lang yan. So we're gonna go with our desktop, and we're gonna use this video, and then we're gonna click on the plus sign, and there you are. So Mr. Greenwood, ganyan yung ating video, hindi kasya, hindi parang okay. I'm glad you asked. Here we go again with the with another a little bit of roadblock, if I can say that. We're gonna click on the crop. We're gonna click on 9:16. Ayun. 9:16. And then, hindi pa? Okay. And we are going to, ayun, fit to screen. Pag kinilig mo yung fit to screen, pwede mo na siyang ipalakihin. Yan. Ganon. Ayun lang. Simple. We are going to try to play it. Tingnan natin kung ayun. So, that's actually good for me. I'm very happy with that video. So, next thing what we need to do now is export project. Here, makikita natin yung format ng video. Ano ang format na gagamitin natin? MP4. And then yung resolution, auto is alright kasi kapag auto, kung ano yung pagkaka-video mo, yun ang lalabas. Pero what you want to do is high definition, which is HD, and then export as MP4. So they're gonna process that. Capwing is gonna process that. Again, this is a software-based platform, editing software. So they have yung tinatawag na watermark. So if you can see it, just over here, meron siyang watermark. Lalabas yan sa video nyo. Kung ayaw nyong ilagay yan sa video nyo, it's best to try out yung subscription nila para hindi yan kasali. Pero for now, that's alright. Kasi that's for them to advertise. That's their way to advertise. Ayun, natapos na ang kanyang pag-export. Maganda yung quality ng video. For me, at least, now we're gonna download it to our desktop. We're gonna name it Capwing. Click save. Asan na yung wala yung alright, there you go. So now na nagpa-process yan, we are going to the next editing tool that we're gonna use for this video. Okay, before we proceed any further, I want to remind you guys to like and subscribe, and comment down below kung ano yung mga suggestion nyo na gusto nyong makita sa next tutorial natin. I have a few ideas myself, pero I want to hear from my subscribers. So let me know in the comments down below. all the tools that we used in this video, meron akong mga links dito sa baba para mapuntahan ninyo and explore the tools on your own time para maganda yung matutunan ninyo kung ano yung natutunan ko and even more, di ba? So ayun lang, tulungan lang tayo dito, guys. And alam nyo ba na some of you na nanonood ngayon hindi nakasubscribe? Alam nyo ba kung ano ang feeling ng gumagawa ng video kapag ang mga nanonood ay hindi nakasubscribe? It really hurts ang magmahal ng ganito. Anyways, I wanna thank my members for their continued support, and let's get back to the video. Third and final tool that we're gonna use is an editing software favorite of mine. Ito yung tool na ginagamit ko for my videos. And this is called Wondershare Filmora. I've been using this for 2 years. So this is also a free to download, but there is a one-time lifetime license to purchase this. So you can include it in your laptop or in your personal computer. Anyways, let's move on. I'm gonna click on the import media. Wait. Before that, before we upload our video, we're gonna click on the file and we're gonna click on project settings. And here, we're gonna see yung aspect ratio. Ano nga ulit yung aspect ratio na ginagamit natin? 9:16. We're gonna click down and there it is. And 1080x1920 is the resolution, HD, and the frame rate is 30 frames per second. We're gonna click OK, and we're ready. We're gonna click on the video, and we're gonna click on this video to upload. And now we're gonna drag it to the timeline. That's how easy it is. And when this pops out every time, it's gonna match what the media is or our project settings. Kung ano yung sinet natin kanina, which is 1080 30 FPS, and that's what we're gonna click. Ayun. Now, Mr. Green, ayun na naman siya. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Don't worry. Right click on the video itself or in the timeline. Crop and fit. Crop to fit. There you go. Or crop to zoom. Ayan. Meron tayong tinatawag na 9:16. Pwede mo siyang i-drag, drag, and drag. Kung saan mo gusto, pwede mo rin siyang ganunin. Pero hindi na siya magiging, hindi, ganyan lang pala. Drag mo siya para, pwede mo siyang i-edit. This is how editing works. But we're gonna stick with what we have right now. Crop to fit. Crop to fit. Okay? And then, actually, that's pretty much it. We're gonna play, we're gonna try, we're gonna preview kung ano yung kakalabasan, which is very nice, HD. Look at that. Ang ganda ng ayun. So, all that, we're gonna export. And if you you cannot see right now yung window na nasa harapan ko, but merong window magpa-prompt and it's gonna say yung name ng video mo. Pwede mo siyang sabihin kung ano, lagay kung ano, i-title kung ano. Lalagay ko lang Filmora. Filmora, and then we're gonna click OK, export. Ayan, nag-e-export na siya. You don't see it because hindi na siya ma-include ng OBS. Pero nag-e-export na siya, nagko-convert na. And when this is done, we're gonna go to YouTube itself and we're gonna upload it. Ayan guys, one final step that we're gonna go through is yung pag-upload. I know you guys are familiar with this. Hindi ko na ito kailangang i-include pa dito sa video na ito. Pero I wanna make sure na you always meron kayong memory kung paano gawin. So we're gonna create the video. Click on the create. And naglalag, syempre. Ayun, upload videos. Ayan, we're gonna select files. Oh, mali. Select files. And you're gonna see yung lagay natin yung si Filmora. Yan. So, lahat ng ginawa natin ngayon today, ganito ang mangyayari, ganito ang pag-upload. Okay? Alright. We're gonna title the video. And then, paano kayo makaka-make sure na lalabas yung video nyo sa tamang audience? The power of hashtags. So, we're gonna hashtag. According to the video, ano yung hashtag natin? May game, basketball, and ano pa? Mini clip. Kasi mini clip yun eh. Mini clip. So, we're gonna hashtag basketball, hashtag game, mobile game, and hashtag ano pa? Mini clip. One more thing, hashtag shorts. Yan. And then, ayun na. So everything, include no kids, no age restriction, no We're gonna not include that right now. Entertainment, gaming, game title, mini basketball. Ayun, mini basketball. Yan. And then, we're gonna go click next. And we're gonna monetize it. And all that, alam nyo na yan, guys. Hindi ko na kailangan sabihin sa inyo. Next. In here, none of the above kasi hindi naman nakaka-offend yun. Submit rating and we're set. Ayun. Next and next. Next. And pa-private ko na lang muna kasi hindi ko naman kailangan i-download yan. So, we're gonna save it. And hey, we're done, guys. Ayun. And yun nga, ano to? So yun guys, we've done everything. Pag-upload, creating shorts, and all that. With 3 tools in our grasp, we can do everything. Again, lahat ng links na ginamit ko will be down below. And I don't wanna take up any more of your time, so I will see you on the next video. 3 words to live by. Alright. Bye guys, see ya.